Hey, so I found my train. It's right here on platform 14 and I'm headed over to Gangneung. It's kind of cool. It's my first time on a high-speed rail. South Korea's high-speed rail system, also known as the KTX, is the fastest and easiest way to travel between cities. Its trains regularly reach speeds of over 300 kilometers per hour or more than 200 miles per hour. My trip was so smooth, all I wanted to do was enjoy the scenery out the window. Hey, so I just arrived here in Gangneung. This is actually my old stomping grounds in Korea. It's on the east side of the country by the sea, and I actually lived here 10 years ago, and I'm gonna see all the things that have changed since then. This train station I'm in right now actually didn't exist when I lived here. It used to take 3 or 4 hours by bus, and now it takes 2 hours by a high-speed train, which is really cool. So I guess we're just gonna head out to the beach so you can see that. That's what this area is actually famous for.
Yeah.
So in case you guys didn't know, they actually have the Olympics out here, which is why they built everything recently. So I actually made it to Gyeongpo-dae, which was the beach I used to always come to when I worked here. Like every day after work, I just got on my bicycle and rode over here, and it was great. But there's a hotel back there that was definitely not here 10 years ago. So I'm not sure how I feel about that. This is actually my favorite spot to go swimming at the beach. I don't know if you can see it from here, but there are some rocks out there. They don't look very far, but they're actually really far, and I used to swim out there every day just for exercise. And yeah, I was pretty good shape back then. I don't think I could swim out there nowadays. But yeah, it's really interesting to be back here on the beach and to see it. Hasn't changed too much except for the huge hotel. But yeah, actually, fun fact, if you look hard enough that way, you can actually see Japan. Located between the sea and east of the Taebaek Mountains, Gangneung is sometimes referred to as Pine City. It is also a great place to enjoy some of the freshest seafood. Downtown Gangneung looking for one of my favorite restaurants, and I think it's still here. They sell dakgalbi, and they're really famous for this. This restaurant is tiny, but it's incredibly good food, so I'm going to go in and try to get some right now. So this is actually one of the best restaurants in all of Gangneung, and it's amazing because it's been here forever. The food is so delicious, and I always come here every time I'm back. This is called dakgalbi, and it's basically chicken with vegetables and kind of a stir fry. So good. I could eat this all day, every day. So now after I'm totally full, I'm just walking around the streets that I used to call home when I lived here. I used to walk all over this area. Lots of bars, nightclubs, and fun places to hang out with friends. But it still looks pretty much the same. So as the old saying goes, you can never go home again, and the building right behind me used to be the school I taught at, but it's not there anymore. It's actually been replaced by another school, so it was nice to try to see if it was still here in the old neighborhood, but you know, everything changes.